Hi Mauricio, could you do me a big favor? I don't know how
Sure.
to upload the tables, so could you show it to me, please?
Of course, Manuel. So here is how I did it. First, I uploaded the both databases on Power Query, appended them, and transformed the data using the ETL process, cleaning it and normalizing it. Once I did that, I exported all the tables into a specific folder that I will use for PowerShell. And here you see that the data still needs to be transformed into UTF-8 format. For that, we need to use PowerShell and load the script. So this script, what basically does is to transform the file into a UTF-8 format. We can see now we have one new file, which is the SOC this. Now we're gonna do the same for the rest of the files. So I'm just gonna copy paste the whole code, hit enter, and there you go. Now all the databases have been transformed, and the cases one, which is very heavy, is a large database with 1 million records, it's gonna take a while longer. In the meantime, we can generate the schema on MySQL H1B. This one is in my server, teammate-moya. So we create this schema, and as you can see, it's empty. There are no tables. So we need to draw this diagram and forward it to the server, teammate server. We hit next until the process has been performed. Now, to verify that it was performed successfully, we refresh and we can see that all the tables has been created. Now we're ready to load the transformed document, and we're going to use the following code here to log in into the server, SQL Server, using command prompt. Now we are using MySQL through command prompt. Let's load the first table, which is SOX. Let's log in again. There you go. Now the data has been uploaded. You can verify this also by going to SQL and querying it. Basically, it's working just fine. So now we copy paste the rest of the code to do the same process for the rest of the databases. There you go. So all the databases have been imported or transferred to MySQL, and now the computer is processing the largest tables, which are employers, and then when it's finished, after a couple minutes, it's gonna work on cases. Did you understand the process, Manuel?
Yes, I do understand the process. Thank you for showing me and the code that you use it for doing it in PowerShell and CMD.
You're very welcome, Manuel. Hope it helps.